Dogecoin, Doge in a real sense explicitly is a mineable coin that essentially is presently exchanged at $0.062583 per unit. With the market capitalization of $8,806,724,640, that makes it a mid-position cryptographic money, or so the explicitly thought. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have previously turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for most certainly in every practical sense, huge institutional financial backers who in a real sense see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a viable support against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy. In this way, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto is basically an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who in every way that really matters needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. However, with it truly comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market to understand what is happening and have some feeling representing things to come. This Dogecoin cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down the best coins or tokens to truly put resources into, and in a real sense, keep the value bin filling amazingly. However, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to generally help you to remember the fundamental standards of cryptographic money exchanging and venture, or so they for the most part thought. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its ongoing standings, as well as the midterm and kind of long-haul cost expectation that sort of depends on the readings of our in every practical sense exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, or so they thought. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin really remains at $0.062583, and this sort of specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the ninth footing in the worldwide cryptographic money, certainly positioning. For actually your data, the sort of positioning of each and every digital money fundamentally is vigorously dependent on its kind of current market capitalization and cost, and in every way that really matters, essentially is determined by duplicating these two factors. Something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to in an unobtrusive manner. Likewise, to especially get a superior truly handle of the market circumstance and figure out the very broad bearing of the pattern, or to especially enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise vital to, in a real sense, truly break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Recently, on August 23, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $0.062593 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.89% distinction when contrasted with the genuinely current value 7 days prior. On August 17, the Dogecoin market truly remained at $0.067206 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unobtrusive manner. As the outcome, the cost essentially moved by 0% corresponding to its current standing. A month prior, on July 24, Dogecoin in every practical sense was valued at $0.074299, which harmonized with our cost expectation for that sort of specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 15.77% cost move. At the point when it generally comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves a whole lot more as a sign of the coin's portion, or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a vital marker to basically be considered prior to going with exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the absolute number of coins that explicitly are as of now available for use, circling supply, by the sort of current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by fundamentally remains at $0.062583. Considering that equation, we essentially have determined the in every practical sense current market capitalization of Dogecoin to explicitly be at $8,806,724,640, which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those present on the digital money market. Recently, on August 23, the market capitalization of Dogecoin truly remained at $8,806,844,430. Keep going weak. On August 17, the aggregate sum of in every practical sense capital dedicated to Dogecoin sort of was laid out at $9,450,365,478. the information from a month prior, enlisted on July 24, shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $10,424,815,802. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that explicitly essentially have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and in every practical sense, explicitly are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' fundamentally chilly wallets. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In spite of mainstream thinking, it very well may be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that is public on the financial exchange in a significant manner. The complete stock of Dogecoin right now by and large stands at 147,786,384 Doge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply in a real sense is the most ordinarily involved commonly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to in an especially significant manner. It relates with the scarcely the best estimate of the general number of coins that generally in every practical sense are public on digital currency trades and add to their liquidity, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Their volume doesn't especially incorporate the coins that are vested, marked in extremely shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use. The flowing inventory truly is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the securities exchange, or so they thought. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin is assessed at 147,786,384 Doge. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can by and large assist one with in a real sense, deciding sort of commonly better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the guidelines of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or solidifications frequently sort of happen at the cost levels that in every practical sense are joined by generally in every way that really matters. High volume since their enormous cash truly had become possibly the most important factor. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market was as per the following. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market added up to $234,895,042, which certainly is very critical in a significant manner. Recently, on August 23, the sort of normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $271,359,947. 7 days prior, on August 17, the force of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $409,199,060. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can assist you with evaluating for yourselves the by and large current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the especially current bearing.